stop me now, it's not working. Paging till the phone keeps on twerking. Gotta switch the spot, they're still lurking. Big back, cooking up tunes, I put working.
I gotta switch the spot, they're still lurking. I gotta switch the spot, they're still lurking. Yo, I love the accent with G. Bro. Are your time for shine, bro? Nobody can take it away from you. Take the lead and run with it with G. Run with it. Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. And today we hear it, my brother sent me and say, react to this. I say, what is? I say, react, man, just react. I say, alright, my G. Reaction, I got one. Hazey, Packs, and Potion. So apparently, the brother was giving me the rundown, said that you would do a site at freestyle pan. I think a black box, and him say, crazy. So him say, react to it. So, Hazey, big up yourself, big up all of the Liverpool massive, them, Liverpool fans, them, Liverpool subscribers, them, the Liverpool people, them, big up on yourself. I love Liverpool. Yeah. Liverpool. So, we're going to jump in another one here and hear what the G have to say. Never heard it before, so this is a blind reaction. Let's go.
Pharaoh.
Mix these packs and potions, no peace till I put a sim in a banner. I'm on the block like winner, back road liquor, fully paid on my inner. I fly past on my head, top 10 of the motors, I wash like 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍.
Bah, your accent. Gunshot and fire from all angles. Clot when your mother dead. Hey, yo! Let me say, ready? Ready?
Pharaoh.
Accent, dog. I love the accent, brother. Walk out now.
Gotta mix these packs and potions, no peace till I put a sim in a banner. I'm on the block like winner, back road liquor, fully paid on my inner. I fly past on my head, top 10 of the motors, I wash like 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐶. And he should start calling me uncle, cause when I speak on his beat to get murdered. Gotta mix these packs and potions, no peace till I put a sim in a banner. I'm on the block like winner, back road liquor, fully paid on my inner. I fly past on my head, top 10 of the motors, I wash like 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐶. And he should start calling me uncle, cause when I speak on his beat to get murdered. I had to pebble up bullshit the curtains, late nights up in the lab and still working. Straight facts, even dropping a verse in.
Late night sit up in the lab and still working. Yo, I love it, dog. Yo, hey, so we got a bumbo class. We are go again. Bumbo class. Hey, so we got a bumbo class, G. We got our Liverpool people, them. Liverpool on the map. For the music. Once again, let's go. Ready? Yeah.
Gotta mix these packs and potions, no peace till I put a sim in a banner. I'm on the block like winner, back road liquor, fully paid on my inner. I fly past on my head, top 10 of the motors, I wash like 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐶. And he should start calling me uncle, cause when I speak on his beat to get murdered. Gotta mix these packs and potions, no peace till I put a sim in a banner. I'm on the block like winner, back road liquor, fully paid on my inner. I fly past on my head, top 10 of the motors, I wash like 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐶. And he should start calling me uncle, cause when I speak on his beat to get murdered. I had to pebble up bullshit the curtains, late nights up in the lab and still working. Straight facts, even dropping a verse in. I took a L and I kept on learning. You can't stop me now, it's not working. Paid.
The fact him took a L and him continue. The man not give up. The man believe in I think. So him know say yo, sometime in life you gotta take a little bit of L, but I'm still here. I'm not miss nothing. Ready again. Bumbo clot now.
When I speak on his beat to get murdered. I had to pebble up bullshit the curtains, late nights up in the lab and still working. Straight facts, even dropping a verse in. I took a L and I kept on learning. You can't stop me now, it's not working. Paging till the phone keeps on twerking.
The man say, yo, you can't stop me now, it's not working. If you never stop me before, you will never stop me now. Ask the public, me gonna lead. I'm leading you. What? Ready?
I took a L and I kept on learning. You can't stop me now, it's not working. Paging till the phone keeps on twerking. Gotta switch the spot, they're still lurking. Big back, cooking up tunes, I put working. 10 toes of them laps in the trench. And when you need more, I'm right back like I'm Trent. I get round on and sit on the bench. I'm opening doors.
Ooh, 10,000 back. When I need more, I'm right back like Brother. Bars. Bars. Give him one of them there. He deserves it. He deserves it. He's on fire. No joke. My G, big up yourself, my G. Big up yourself. You're there on fire, my G. And your time for shine, brother? Yeah, shine, brother. So just shine, my G. We start again. We go again, man. We go again, man.
Pharaoh.
We go again. I'm back, lad. Ready?
Gotta mix these packs and potions, no peace till I put a sim in a banner. I'm on the block like winner, back road lager, fully paid bro on my inner. I fly past on my head, top 10 of the motors, I wash like 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. And I should start calling me uncle, cause when I speak on these beats to get murdered. Gotta mix these packs and potions, no peace till I put a sim in a banner. I'm on the block like winner, back road lager, fully paid bro on my inner. I fly past on my head, top 10 of the motors, I wash like 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿. And he should start calling me uncle, cause when I speak on these beats to get murdered. I had to pebble up bullshit the curtains, late nights up in the lab and still working. Facts have been dropping a verse in. I took a L and I kept on learning. You can't stop me now, it's not working. Paging till the phone keeps on twerking. Gotta switch the spot, they're still lurking. Big back, cooking up tunes, I put working.
I gotta switch the spot, I'm still lurking. I gotta switch the spot, they're still lurking. Yo, I love the accent with G. Bro. Are your time for shine, bro? Nobody can take it away from you. Take the lead and run it with G. Run it with G.
10 toes of them laps in the trench. And when he need more, I'm right back like I'm Trent. I get round out and sit on the bench. I'm opening doors while I stuck at the fence. And I'm still trying to pop like bubble wrap. Flying packs, OT just a hustle at. Never add no peace till we juggle packs. If your bear's 10-10, I might double tap. I'm trying to build these bands, then double that. If you use that cling, then I'll double rap. I can't stunt online for the couple snaps. I'm trying to see a mansion and a couple stats. I stay on the ball like 𝐒𝐒₍. I might slab and land like I'm 𝐒𝐒₍. She tells me slab.
I be a footballer man a reference. Don't want to stay up on the ball like a Aguero. You know what I mean? Football, because the man not play football. The man send up on him P's and Q's him outside and the girl him no, you know what I mean? What in my work? Yeah.
OT just a hustle at. Never add no peace till we juggle packs. If your bear's 10-10, I might double tap. I'm trying to build these bands, then double that. If you use that cling, then I'll double rap. I can't stunt online for the couple snaps. I'm trying to see a mansion and a couple stats. I stay on the ball like 𝐒𝐒₍. I might slab and land like I'm 𝐒𝐒₍. She tells me slab through, he's not there though. Bad bitch, so I hold up a hair, bro. Gotta mix these packs and potions. No, she tells me I'm trying to.
Hey, you're too blood clot, man, Youth! Are your time in a dog? I think that was Lighter! We need some fire!
See a mansion and a couple stars. I stay on the ball like 𝐒𝐒₍. I might slab and land like I'm 𝐒𝐒₍. She tells me slab through, he's not there though. Bad bitch, so I hold up a hair, bro. Gotta mix these packs and potions, no peace till I put a sim in a
Bad
banner.
bitch, someone want up our ear.
Winner, back road lager, fully paid bro on my inner. I fly past on my head, top 10 of the motors, I wash like 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿. And he should start calling me uncle, cause when I speak on his beat to get murdered. Cause they know I'm there when it kicks off. Hit much just to try and see big prof. Lick shots, need the belly like Rick Ross. Street kid got them dancing on 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿. And he should start.
My chest! Oh my god, dude! My chest!
Calling me uncle, cause when I speak on his beat to get murdered. Cause they know I'm there when it kicks off. Hit much just to try and see big prof. Lick shots, need the belly like Rick Ross. Street kid got them dancing on TikTok. My man Dasty's running through chip shops. Band home at the door like it's Nick Knock Shannon. That's the point where they pissed off. Watch them at the top but they slipped off. I save knits and twos like I'm Walker. Tell bro I don't do no talker. Searching bro I think she's a stalker. Iced out, trust I need me some water. I've missed shots, the ring and no caller. Back road on the pitch, I'm a baller. Slang that at the start from a quarter. Bang that, then she's holding me daughter. Gotta mix these packs and potions, no peace till I put a sim in a banner.
The man saying bang that now she's holding his daughter.
I've missed shots, the ring and no caller. Back road on the pitch, I'm a baller. Slang that at the start from a quarter. Bang that, then she's holding me daughter. Gotta mix these packs and potions, no peace till I put a sim in a banner. I'm on the block like winner, back road later, fully paid bro on my inner. I fly past on my head, top 10 of the motors, I wash like 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿. And he should start calling me uncle, cause when I speak on his beat to get murdered. Gotta mix these packs and potions, no peace till I put a sim in a banner. I'm on the block like winner, back road later, fully paid bro on my inner. I fly past on my head, top 10 of the motors, I wash like 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿. And he should start calling me uncle, cause when I speak on his beat to get murdered.
Oh my class, youth! You're bad, me G, you're bad. You're bad, me G. Yo, the accent, bro, I love it, dog. Hazey, big up yourself. Hazey, big up your bumbuckler self, me G. Any glory that you're getting right now, my G, You deserve every single minute, ounce, and seconds of it, my G. Big up yourself, my fam. I love this, bro. And I see why my brother say, yo, react to this, tag. You need to react to this. Me see why. And me see why the numbers are so hype on this. My G, big up your fucking self. If you don't understand what I just said in your reaction, my G, I'm saying, keep on doing your thing, my G. Big up your bumbucklat self, Jamaican way. Big up your bumbucklat self. That's the thing there. Liverpool massive, big up on yourself too. Outside. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please just do that for me, please. You see me? We're there. So, as you big up your bumbucklat self once again, big up the team around you. My G, great things ahead of you. Great things ahead of you. Let's keep doing your music, my G. You hear that? You're bad, my G. And you're different. You're bad and you're different, my G. So, big up on yourself. Liverpool is here to take over! Bumbucklat! Guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. You hear that? Peace.